On 18 February 2025, a research on the new bat coronavirus HKU5-CoV-2 was published in the journal Cell. HKU5-CoV-2 was discovered in bats in China, with research led by Shi Zhengli of the Wuhan Institute of Virology. According to the South China Morning Post article, it belongs to the merbecovirus subgenus, which includes the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS virus, and is a lineage of the HKU5 coronavirus, first identified in Japanese pipistrelle bats in Hong Kong. The research also shows that the virus uses the human angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE2 receptor to enter cells, the same pathway as SARS-CoV-2, which caused the COVID-19 pandemic. Laboratory experiments have shown that HKU5-CoV-2 can infect human cells with high levels of ACE2 in test tubes and human intestinal and airway models, but it does not enter human cells as readily as SARS-CoV-2. This lower efficiency reduces the immediate risk of widespread human transmission, the researchers said. It was the first article about the new bat coronavirus HKU5-CoV-2. Then, on February 21, 2025, Reuters also publishes a related article raising public awareness. On February 25, 2025, CNN also published a related article about further public reaction to this new virus. This article states, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, noting that researchers have not found any infections in humans, said in an email to CNN that it was aware of the publication, but there is no reason to believe it is a public health concern at this time. The CDC added that it will continue to monitor viral disease activity and provide important updates to the public. Scientists say the newly identified coronavirus doesn't infect cells as efficiently as the virus that causes COVID-19. But because the work came from the same lab in Wuhan, China, that's been the target of questions about the origin of COVID-19, it quickly attracted attention. The potential for HKU5-CoV-2 to infect humans is of concern because of its ability to bind ACE2. If it were to spread, given its relationship to MERS, it could cause respiratory symptoms ranging from mild to severe, possibly leading to pneumonia or acute respiratory distress syndrome, as seen in MERS outbreaks. However, as of February 28, 2025, no documented human infections have been reported. According to the Forbes article, the virus also contains a furin cleavage site, a feature that facilitates cell entry, similar to SARS-CoV-2, but its adaptation to humans is suboptimal. Researchers have identified monoclonal antibodies and antiviral drugs, such as remdesivir and nirmatrelvir, that can target the virus, offering potential treatment options. If HKU5-CoV-2 were to spread to humans and become transmissible, the U.S. could face significant challenges, given its experience with COVID-19. The CDC has stated that there is no reason to believe it is currently a public health concern, suggesting a monitoring approach rather than immediate action. This echoes the views of experts such as Professor David Heymann of LSHTM, who cautions against overreaction, noting that many animal viruses pose potential threats without causing pandemics. The discovery of HKU5-CoV-2 underlines the continuing threat of zoonotic diseases. While we're still shaking off the COVID-19 hangover, although current evidence suggests that it is not an immediate threat to human health, particularly in the U.S., how do you feel about the discovery of the new bat coronavirus HKU5-CoV-2 and its implications? How much do you agree with the opinions of these scientists? Below is a timeline of the evolution of the novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, with the names of the major variants. Each variant is included based on when it was first identified and how it influenced the pandemic trajectory. Okay, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.